Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can 3D zoom like your photos on CapCut. So to do that, you're just going to select your image here and you're just going to press style here, and then you are going to go to the here it is. It's the 3D zoom for one, but I think it's in motion. So you're just going to select either the 3D Zoom Pro one or the 3D Zoom, and that is it. It creates a really nice effect, like so. And also you can try this one as well. But yeah, that is basically it. That's how you can apply the 3D zoom to your photos. Only works for photos though, so if you want to apply it to a video, maybe like freeze frame it first and then you can apply it. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!